What's up everyone and welcome to the club. An exciting new brawler just came out that many of you requested, so today we'll be drawing Colette from Brawl Stars. Let's get started over on the right side of our page and draw an oval for the eye. So we start at the very top. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the oval. And then pull that back up towards the top. And then we'll thicken up the eyelid and add an eyelash over on the right side. So let's start on the inside edge. Just going to go up a little bit higher in the middle. Just pull that down along the side. From here, we're just going to angle up and out. And we'll pull this down and in towards the side of the eye. Let's fill that in black. And then on the left side of the eye, we're going to draw a small oval for the pupil. Starting from the top, down towards the bottom, and then back up. And then we'll fill the pupil in black. Let's add the eyebrow along the top. We're going to start with a straight line coming down. Go straight across the top towards the right. And then we'll connect the bottom to the right side with an angled line. And then we'll fill the eyebrow in black. Now I'm going to move to the center of our page and draw on the nose. We're going to start by lining up with the bottom edge of the eye, move to the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve down the middle, and then back up on the right side. Let's move down and draw on the top of the mouth. Starting back over on the left, come down the middle, just underneath the nose, and then pull that back up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve down the middle, round up the mouth, and then pull that back up. Now we're going to add in the teeth. Starting at the very top in the middle, angle down and out towards the left and right. And we'll pull that up and out towards the top. And we'll do that again, coming down and out towards the side of the mouth. Now we're going to overlap the hair coming down across the left side of the head. Starting from the inside edge of the eyebrow, we're going to step up. Just going to curve down, across the face, go out towards the left, and just hook that up. And then we'll layer the right side of the hairline in behind. So from the top, we're going to step down, just going to curve the head going out, around the eye, and then down towards the side. Let's draw on the bottom of the head. I'm going to start over on the left side, just underneath the hair, and curve down, just underneath the mouth, round up the chin, and pull that up on the right side. Now the hair is going to curl out towards a point on the right. So let's line up with the left side, move over towards the right, go out, and pull that up. Now it's going to taper that back in with a short line to right about there. And then we'll move back over towards the left and draw on the side of the head. Starting from this point, we're just going to start by curving in and then going straight up. Now it's going to bend that back in, going up and then in. And then we'll separate the tip of the hair in half. Starting from this point, just going to go in and then hook that up. Let's add a few points of hair on the left side. Starting from the side of the hair, curve out and then up. And we'll taper that back down and then in. Let's add one more point, going out and up. Now this point is going to curve up towards the top of the head. So come in and then up. Round up the top of the head, going across towards the right. I'm just going to pull that down towards the right side. Now we want to pull the hair coming down across the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step out, curve down, and then in, and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on that hairband. Starting from the left side, we go up a little bit higher in the middle, so round this out, just pull that down towards the right side of the head. Let's draw the side edge of the charm on the right. We're going to start up here, it's going to curve around and then down. It's going to draw a straight angle line coming down the side. I'm going to curve this around and then back in behind the hairband. And then we'll add one more point of hair along the top. Starting from the inside, curve out and then up. Just taper that back down and in towards the top of the head. Now we're going to draw the arms wrapped around the book. So let's start in the center, just underneath the chin with a straight line from left to right, going across. And then from the ends, come straight down. And then we'll draw on the top of the right arm. Starting from the bottom corner of the book, we curve down, just pull that up on the right side. We're just going to extend this out a little bit further. Let's go back to the left side and draw a curve, going out and then back in towards the bottom of the arm. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the arm. Starting out here, come down, and just pull that up towards the elbow. Now we want to round out the elbow and come up underneath the head. Going out, up, and then in. And then we'll separate the end of the arm. We're going to step in, follow that same curve, going out, and then back in. Let's draw in the strap. Starting underneath the sleeve, we can draw two straight lines. Going down, the same height, and we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. And then we'll add a rounded buckle along the bottom. Starting from the left corner, just going to draw a circle, going around, and then back up. Let's trace this along the outside, stepping up, going all the way around, and then back in. Let's layer the left arm in behind. We're going to step over, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow. Now we want to round out the elbow, come down and in behind the strap. We'll continue that curve going out and up on the right side. And then we'll curve the sleeve going up underneath the right arm, going up and then in. Now I'm going to step in and draw that same curve. Now I'm going to draw that same strap over on the right side. Let's start with two straight lines coming down and close off the bottom with a straight line. And we'll connect the bottom corners with a small circle. And we'll trace that out on the outside. Let's add a little bit more detail to the body. We're going to start from the top of the sleeve, just going to curve up and then out towards the outside of the arm. Go to the right and do the same thing. And then we'll add a strap going across the left arm. Starting from the outside, curve up and then down, step down and draw that twice. And then we'll add some detail to the book. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going across, and then we'll add a thick stripe on the left side. Draw two straight lines coming down side by side. I'm also going to add a round buckle along the bottom. Starting from this line, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up, and then we'll draw a smaller circle on the inside. Let's draw the bottom of the vest. We're going to line up with the top of the shoulder, come down underneath the arm, draw a straight angle line coming down and out, line up with the right side, and come down and out. Now I want to connect these ends with a curve going in behind the buckles. Coming down and in, continue along the center, then back up on the right. And then from the middle, we're going to step down and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to left and draw on the top of the foot. We're going to start from the toe, we're going to curve up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, stop right about there. And we'll move back up and draw on the outside of the leg. From the bottom corner of the vest, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and then straight down on top of the foot. Now on the right side, we're going to start underneath the buckle, going out and then down. Now we're going to draw on the top edge of the boot. From the top of the foot, we're going to step up, curve down the middle, and back up on the inside. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And we'll finish off by adding a stripe on the outside of the leg. From the top, we'll step in, just follow the same curve of the leg going all the way down towards the boot. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Colette from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.